Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this live catch mousetrap called the PEST-A-CATOR, a live rodent trap, reusable multi-catch design, easy to use, requires no chemicals, humane catch and release option. So if we get some mice, we'll let them go. It's kind of shaped like a house. It's made out of green plastic. You turn it on the back, remove the front label to view the trapped mice inside. We'll do that now. Comes right off and you can kind of see inside. You'll mostly see a green silhouette. Turn it back. May use the bait block provided or your own preferred method of baiting. Place against the wall, check the trap often. To release away from home by removing the lid or turning the trap upside down. It says there's bait inside. Let's take a look. That lid pops off. There it is. This looks like a hunk of cheese, but it's made out of soft plastic and it kind of smells like cotton candy. We'll have to see how much the mice like this. Cheese. Now inside you can see a bait cup, a place for water, and ventilation holes. So when you catch the mice, they should have a comfortable stay. Now down here you can see the swinging door. That's just on a hinge. There's actually two of them. There's one in the front and one in the back. I'm curious if they can lift that up or not. This is a really simple and basic design. I'm curious how well it works. First we'll test it out with our pet mice, see if they push their way in. Then we'll go set it up in the chicken coop and see if we can get wild mice. Let's see if our pet mouse will consider going in the PEST-A-CATOR trap. Well, that didn't take long. He smelt the bait block inside and wanted to see what it was. Lift off the lid. You see him right there coming back out. Have to make sure that second door closes and keeps them inside. Let's go set this up in the chicken coop and see if we can get wild mice with the PEST-A-CATOR trap. We'll go put our pet mouse back in his cage. It didn't take long for the mice to find the bait in the PEST-A-CATOR trap. They went in the door and started feeding. The problem is there's no mice in here. The bait's pretty much gone. They learned how to lift up the door and get out. So after leaving it all night, we don't have a single mouse. There are many different traps on the market. Some work really well and some not so much, like this one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider clicking the button right there. I'm posting videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so if you want to see how to catch or not catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.